Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need heat and a little moisture now. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and put an oven-safe pan on the lowest shelf. Once the oven is hot, pour 1 cup of hot water into that pan to generate steam. This softens the interior so crust can crisp. Meanwhile, quickly wet the crust, either mist or run the loaf under water for 2-3 seconds, and place the bread directly on the rack. This jumpstarts rehydration and sets up crisping. Once the steam is active and the loaf is on the rack, bake whole loaves 8-12 minutes and slices for 6 minutes. Timing depends on thickness. Make sure to tent large loaves loosely with foil if the crust is already dark, because you want the crumb warmed without burning. Halfway through, rotate or flip pieces to expose all sides evenly. The steam rehydrates cells, so the oven's dry heat can crisp the surface. Monitor color and interior temperature for best results. When the bread reaches a golden, crisp crust, remove it and immediately cool on a wire rack for 5 to 10 minutes so steam escapes and the crust sets. If you want even more crunch, give it 30 to 60 seconds under the broiler. Stand by and watch to avoid burning. If the result is soggy, raise the oven temperature next time or extend dry time. If it becomes too hard, shorten baking or mist briefly before heating. This troubleshooting keeps your loaf reliably crisp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.